Hello, viewers, and welcome back once again to my channel. And hope you are all doing good. Chicken Kati roll. The name itself has an appetizer in it. This is basically a street food which is loved by the people of all ages nowadays. Let's see how easy it is to prepare this chicken kati roll at home itself with very less ingredients and very short time. So let's go into the video and have a look on this yummy appetizers recipe. Half a kg of minced chicken, nicely washed and strained. If you don't have minced chicken, you can take the boneless chicken pieces and cut into tiny pieces. Let's make the filling for our kati roll. 3 tablespoons of refined oil, 4 medium sized finely chopped onion. Let's saute the onion until they become translucent. Let's add some salt so that the onion turn soft in a short time. Now they have turned transparent. One finely chopped green chili and 1 full teaspoon of freshly grinded ginger garlic paste. After adding the ginger garlic paste, let's saute it for 1 minute. 1 medium sized tomato finely chopped. Let's add. Let's saute until the tomatoes become softer. Now let's add our minced chicken pieces. Adding dry masala like turmeric powder half a spoon, Kashmiri red chili powder 1 spoon, half a spoon of black pepper powder, half a spoon of chaat masala and half a spoon of garam masala powder. I have added half a spoon of tandoori chicken masala also and salt as per the taste. Let's mix well and saute all these ingredients in medium flame for some time, for around 5 to 7 minutes. Let's cover it with lid and keep it in low flame. Let's take one big chopped onion and around 100 grams of chopped cabbage. Let's keep a tawa on the stove. Let's add around 1 tablespoon of oil and we are going to saute these two ingredients, that is onion and cabbage, for 2 minutes in high flame. Just keep it in mind that our main purpose is not to cook these ingredients, only we have to saute them for around 2 to 3 minutes in high flame, that's all. They should not lose its crunch. Once they start browning, we can switch off the flame and remove them from tawa. Since the flame is in high, they start browning very soon. Now they are done. Let's remove it from tawa and transfer it into a bowl. This we are going to add later in our kati roll. Now let's take 4 eggs. Let's add some salt and beat them nicely. 4 eggs I am taking because we have 4 members and I am preparing the kati roll for 4 members. If you have more members, you can take the eggs as per the number of members. Now let's check our stuffing. I have not added any extra water. The water you are seeing in this is come from the chicken and tomatoes, etc. Now let's cook it in high flame until the water absorbs. Let's add some chopped coriander leaves and you can see that it's getting dry now. And that's all. Our awesome stuffing is ready for filling. Let's switch off the flame now. I have bought these uncooked ready-made chapatis from market. These chapatis I am going to use in this Kati roll. If you want, you can prepare homemade chapatis also, but I had less time, so I am using these chapatis. Let's add little butter in a pan and let's roast the chapatis. These ready-made chapatis you can get in any supermarket. Whenever you prepare the stuffing, prepare some extra and keep it in refrigerator. You can use it later whenever you want. You can just roll it in chapatis and you can keep in your children's tiffin also. Now let's roast the chapatis from both the sides equally. I have added some more butter. Now our chapati is done. Let's remove it from pan. Add half a spoon of oil and pour up some portion of egg on the pan and spread it in this way. We are going to place our cooked chapati on it like this. Let's press it light with light hands. Let's flip it and remove it from tawa. Now it's time to fill our kati roll. Let's take a tissue paper, fold it in this way and place our roti on it. Let's apply some tomato sauce. If you want, you can use chili sauce also, but I'm using the normal tomato ketchup. Let's place the filling in this way vertically on the roti. Let's add our onion and cabbage which we have roasted, and that's all. Just fold in this way and roll it. That's all. Just wrap with the tissue paper. It will be good to use a butter paper instead of tissue paper. Now our awesome kati roll of everyone's favorite is ready to be enjoyed. You saw how simple it was to make it at home. Make and enjoy this appetizer. Your children will just go crazy. See you soon in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching.